Hey, what's up all you Tapaholics? This is Paul here, aka Paulabusa, back with another video. Now, if you guys have been following the channel, you guys know that I've been offline for quite a bit, and I do have a good explanation for that. So I kind of started watching Game of Thrones, and then things got out of hand. I started binge watching and left YouTube on a back foot. And then when I wanted to start making videos again, accident happened. You can see I have some scars on my face. And now I'm back for one reason. Peter Mckinnon. Peter has been one of my favorite YouTubers recently, and I started watching a lot of his videos. And 2 days back, he uploaded a video calling it the Peter Mckinnon B-roll challenge, teaching us how to do magnificent B-roll at the most uninteresting places. Today I am back. After 2 months offline, I'm back with a new video, and I wanted to take up the challenge that Peter put forward. Last Saturday, I was at the workshop changing my tire, so I put together a 30-second B-roll for you guys. Rest assured, it's not of a very good quality. I don't have the 1DX to play with. I'm just using the Canon 70D alongside a secondary camera, which is my GoPro Hero 3 Plus. So it's not of the best quality. I don't have that crisp slow motion images of the 1DX, and I hope that you guys don't give me a lot of criticism for that. Just point me out on what areas I can improve. And without further ado, let's go into the B-roll. So there you have it, guys, the 30 seconds B-roll. Now, if you have been following the channel, I don't do a lot of B-roll sequences. Previous videos have always been multi-cameras where I shoot close-ups and far away, and I mix and match them together. So I don't really shoot B-rolls until I started following Peter Mckinnon. Behind every B-roll that Peter put forward, it has become what I look forward to in his videos, and I hope to incorporate this in my own videos. So again, it's not of the best quality. I don't have the best setup to work with. I am on a very budget setup, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope to do more regular videos moving forward. So please do subscribe, like this video if you like it, dislike it if you dislike it. I'll see you in the next one. This is Paul here, signing off. Ciao.